I write these vows, it's very heartwarming and also to be able to speak to my bride. Sabihin na, my bride.
Father, we thank you for Ray and Zane. Not just a contract, but it is a covenant, first of all, before you, and before one another, and before all of us as witnesses. And this is my prayer.
So ako po, more disciplinarian po ako. More disciplinarian po ako. Mommy's boy.
Okay. That this covenant will not be broken. That no power on earth.
Pinaka-excited ako is yung enjoy namin yung time namin together as newlywed. Newlywed! Hindi ko mapigilan din naman yung personality ko, pero tingnan nyo, social lang itsura ko. Hindi ko alam talaga, para ako nananaginip.
I don't want to wake up from this dream.
Ngayon ang napipil ko na more in excitement na. Iba talaga kapag sa tamang tao ka na.
I feel like I'm just excited for that big day, you know, to not just get everything over with, but just to be in the moment, just to be in the presence of it, all the hard work that we put in.
Nagsisink in siya ng bongga-bongga. Mrs. Sparks.
Flatmate po, gumimik po kami sa BGC and nakita ko po itong tall Dax. Oh, handsome. And sabi ko kay Sebi, sis, may gustong makipagkilala sa'yo, pero wait ka lang.
They introduced us, I walked over, and literally, I was stunned because she's very beautiful. I was very infatuated. Her first question to me was,
Do you speak Tagalog? Sabi niya, oo naman. Ayun na yun.
exchange Instagram numbers, and I even took a photo with her.